Thank you. Manus. Yes, thank you. Manus.
Yesterday we conducted one narcotic raid outside Vasco railway police station and detained one person by name Tilakdhari Yadav, age about 34 years. He is a native of Jaunpur UP and seized from his possession 7.3 kg Ganja, approximately worth rupees 7 lakhs. So yesterday we received one information from our reliable sources that one person is likely to come by Patna Rxpress train near Vasco railway station. So accordingly I formed my team and led a trap outside the railway station. And when the person of similar description came outside the railway station, I along with team detained him and further took his personal search. And during the personal search, we found 7.3 kg Ganja in his possession. So accordingly, we seized the said Ganja under seizure Panchanama, and further he was brought at the police station to register the crime. And we registered the crime under section 2 subsection B 2B of NDPS Act, and he was placed under arrest. So our further investigation in this case is in progress to ascertain the exact source of the drugs.
So modus operandi.
Said Ganja is in the bag, was in the bag. He systematically packed the Ganja and put in the handbag, and he brought the said Ganja by train. Previously, we arrested him in the same NDPS case in 2006, wherein we have seized 170 grams Ganja from his possession, and this is the second time we caught him.
Sir, Manzoor is this
Our vigil, and we are maintaining our patrolling, and we are also collecting the intelligence from our reliable sources in this case. And if anybody found selling Ganja, the action will be taken as per the law.
Thank you.